Want ChatGPT to use your previous conversations to improve responses? Here's how to enable or disable reference chat story on your Samsung Galaxy A56. First, open the ChatGPT app. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name at the bottom. Select Personalization. Scroll down the screen. Then tap Memories. Inside this section, you will find the option called Reference Chat History. If this setting is enabled, ChatGPT can use information from your past chat to provide more relevant and personalized responses. Turn it off. Simple control the switch. When disabled, ChatGPT will not reference your previous conversation in future chat. You can turn this menu anytime to change the settings. That's it. You now know how to enable or disable reference chat story on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.